This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Trading Forex involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Welcome back to Forex Seller, where real traders discover real tools that deliver real results. In today's video, we're introducing something that's making a strong impact in our trading community: the powerful, reliable, and performance-focused Eternal Engine. Normally, an advanced tool like this would cost around $599. But today, we're making it available exclusively at Forex Seller for just $29, giving every trader access to professional automation at an unbeatable price. Trades on this currency pairs one of the most liquid and stable pairs in the Forex market. Optimized for the any time frame, perfect for smart entries and well-timed exits. Requires only $1,000 to get started, ideal for small accounts or new traders. Up to 148% account growth. Over 76% of trades closed in profit, backed by consistent strategy logic. Now, let's open MT4 and take a detailed look at the internal settings of the EA. This step-by-step walkthrough ensures you're not just running the EA. You're running it with full confidence and understanding. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level with automated precision, click the link in the description to download the Eternal Engine EA right now, only from Forex Seller. Start with the right tool today.